In front of me is Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons. Begin by pinching your device's display. Following that, select Settings at the bottom right corner and tap on Appearance at the top. Now select icon size and operate this slider to adjust them. You can check out Preview at the top. When you finished, just go back. As you can see, after that, size of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!